Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem an Xbox gift card on Microsoft Rewards. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Rewards Redeem page. Open the official Microsoft Rewards or Microsoft support link that explains how to redeem reward points. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Explore the Redeem page and tap on it. This will take you to the Microsoft Rewards Redeem section. Here, you will see a list of rewards that are currently available. These may include game credits, digital gift cards, and other rewards such as Roblox or League of Legends. Scroll through the list and look for the Xbox gift card option. When you find the Xbox gift card reward, tap on it to open the reward details page. Make sure you have enough Microsoft Rewards points to redeem it. After confirming, select the Redeem option to complete the process. So that's basically how you can redeem an Xbox gift card on Microsoft Rewards. That's it for this video. Thanks.